Let's do a beautiful, affordable base look using MUA Cosmetics. MUA are a vegan and cruelty-free makeup brand and their products are exceptional. I'm starting off using their brand new product. This is the Pro Base Pore Blurring Primer. Just starting with a tiny little bit, all of the parts of my face where I get texture. So that could be open pores, fine lines. It's got a very gentle mattifying finish. Because it's blurring and great for fine lines, I take a little bit just under my eyes as well. And just look at the difference that that's made in this texture. Next, I'm taking a really small amount of the Pro Base concealer. This is a serum concealer that is buildable. It comes in the most fantastic wide range of colours. You've got cools, you've got warms, you've got neutrals. I just put this on the areas that I'm the darkest. You can blend in with your fingers or a brush. And it sits really beautifully on top of that primer or your eye cream. It's £3.50 and look at the job that it does. Dark circles, be gone. MUA have one of the widest ranges of shades in any high street foundation I've seen. This is a soft matte finish and it's £6 and you would not know it. I like quite a nice sheer layer, but you can really build this up. And depending on your skin prep underneath, you can have this matte or you can have it a little bit more satin with something really glowy underneath. There is a colour for everyone, and just over those areas where I'm a little bit textured, I'm just spippling this in. You can use your fingers, you can use a sponge, I'm using an MUA brush. But look at that finish. MUA do a really wide range of bronzers. You've got cream bronzers, you've got powder bronzers. I'm using this is the Bronze Perfection palette. I'm just going to take this with a brush just onto the high points of my face where I naturally catch the sun. There's a colour for absolutely everybody, from the lightest to the deepest shades. I love how this is buildable, allows me control. See how that just puts the life back into my skin. Now these blushes are £2.75 and they are one of my favourite blushes of all times. This is a shade called Frenzy. They're liquid blushes, they're lightweight, they're buildable. This one's got a really subtle shot of radiance through it, and they just work on top of matte foundation, glowy foundation. There's a wide shade range, they're really user-friendly and they last. And here's a tip, if you're new to using liquid or cream blush and you put it on and you think that's a bit much, go back in with your foundation brush that will always have a little residue of base on. You can just buff those edges in. Now the rest of my makeup is done, I'm going to take one of the loose powders. This is the Luminous loose powder. I'm just going to use this just down my T-zone to set any oily areas that I have. This powder is £4.50 and it is light enough that you can take it around the eyes as well. We're going to bring some glow back with the Glow Setting Spray. This is packed full of, again, ingredients like niacinamide, glycerin and vitamin E. And one light layer just hydrates the skin, takes away any powdery finish and helps keep your makeup on. If you really want to finish your makeup, you can use one of the Shimmer powders. These are £3.50. This is the shade Oyster Silk, and I'm just touching the tiniest amount just on my cheekbone, on the high points of my face, and I find it just pulls everything together. Also beautiful, just on the eyelid. And there we have it, your step-by-step guide to creating a beautiful, affordable makeup base using MUA Cosmetics. This whole base cost me less than £35. The colours are beautiful, the quality is beautiful. Again, vegan and cruelty-free. I hope this helps.